I've always wondered what would happen if aliens decided to attack us from light years away. It's a terrifying thought, isn't it? But what if it's not just science fiction? What if there's a technologically superior civilization out there, plotting our demise as we speak? Today we're going to explore the mind-bending possibilities of interstellar warfare and the weapons that could potentially wipe us out from across the cosmos. Or are we? The Scorpions? No, not the rock band, but a hypothetical alien civilization residing around an orange star called HD 4307, about 42 light-years away from Earth. These aren't your typical aliens, they're technological powerhouses with abilities far beyond our comprehension. Imagine a civilization so advanced that they've built a Dyson Swarm around their star, harnessing nearly limitless energy. But here's the kicker. They've got plans, and those plans involve building a hyperspace bypass right through our solar system. The catch? We're in the way. So they've decided to do what any self-respecting advanced alien civilization would do. Eliminate us. But how? That's where things get really interesting and a bit scary. Now you might be thinking, why don't they just send an invasion fleet? Well, here's where the mind-bending nature of space-time comes into play. At 42 light-years away, any attack they launch would take 42 years just to reach us. That means if they decided to attack us today, we wouldn't even know about it until 2065. And by then, who knows what kind of defenses we might have developed. But it gets even weirder. If we managed to detect their attack and sent a message back saying, "Hey, we surrender," it would take another 42 years for that message to reach them. So we're looking at a total of 84 years between attack and response. That's longer than most human lifespans. Enter the Nicole Dyson beam. Sounds like something out of a sci-fi movie, right? But it's actually based on real scientific concepts. Imagine if the Scorpions used their Dyson Swarm to collect just 1% of their star's output. That's a mind-boggling million billion watts of power. Now what if they focused all that energy into a massive laser beam aimed right at Earth? This beam would travel at the speed of light, taking 42 years to reach us. But when it hits, oh boy, the surface of our planet would be incinerated instantly. Oceans would boil away. The crust would melt. It would be like turning Earth into a mini-star for a brief, terrifying moment. The result? Total sterilization of our planet. No life, not even bacteria, would survive this cosmic blowtorch. But is that really what the Scorpions want? But what if the Scorpions wanted a more targeted approach? That's where relativistic missiles come in. We're talking about projectiles accelerated to near the speed of light, powered by the most destructive fuel source known to physics, antimatter. When they hit Earth, the impact would be catastrophic. We're talking about an explosion that would make our most powerful nuclear weapons look like firecrackers. However, it wouldn't be as thorough as the Nicole Dyson beam. Some life might survive deep underground or in the oceans, but human civilization as we know it, toast, or is it? Now let's get really weird. What if the Scorpions wanted to eliminate us without destroying the planet? Enter the ultra-relativistic electron beam. This weapon accelerates electrons to near light speed, creating a tightly focused beam. When this beam hits our planet, it wouldn't cause a massive explosion. Instead, it would penetrate deep into the Earth, destroying organic matter by damaging DNA. It's like a cosmic radiation gun. The effects wouldn't be instant. Over weeks, life on Earth would sicken and die. The planet would be sterilized, but the physical structure would remain largely intact. So, we've got 3 potential doomsday weapons. But which one would the Scorpions choose? The Nicole Dyson beam is the most destructive, capable of transforming Earth into a molten ball of rock. The ultra-relativistic electron beam is perhaps the most insidious. It leaves the planet physically intact but eliminates all life forms. But here's a thought. What if the Scorpions don't want to destroy us at all? What if these weapons are just a deterrent, a cosmic keep out sign? Now, let's step back for a moment and consider the bigger picture. If a civilization has the capability to build these kinds of weapons, would they actually use them? Advanced technology often goes hand in hand with advanced ethics. Maybe the scorpions have moved beyond the need for violence and destruction. Or maybe they've seen the consequences of such weapons and vowed never to use them. So what's our best defense against these cosmic threats? Surprisingly, it might be something very simple: staying quiet. If advanced civilizations out there have the power to destroy us from afar, maybe our best strategy is to avoid detection altogether. This idea, known as the dark forest theory, suggests that the universe might be full of civilizations staying silent out of fear. But is fear the best way to explore the cosmos? But should the possibility of hostile aliens stop us from exploring the cosmos? I don't think so. The universe is vast, beautiful, and full of mysteries waiting to be unraveled. As we venture out, we should do so with caution, but also with hope. After all, for every potentially hostile civilization out there, there could be countless others waiting to welcome us as friends. Or could there? As we've seen, the possibilities of interstellar warfare are both fascinating and terrifying. But they also highlight the incredible advancements we've made in understanding our universe. Who knows? Maybe one day we'll be the advanced civilization capable of building Dyson Swarms and cosmic lasers. Until then, let's keep looking up at the stars, wondering what's out there, and hoping that when we do make contact, it's with a friendly hello, rather than a relativistic missile. And as always, thanks for watching. Or are you still watching?